Hello, InveStars. The stock market can be a wild ride, but understanding key ratios can help you navigate it better. Stock analysis can be tricky, but not with these essential ratios. First up, the PE ratio. That's price to earnings. Think of it as finding out how much you're paying for $1 of earnings. For example, if a company has a PE ratio of 15, you're paying $15 for every $1 of earnings. A lower PE might indicate a potential bargain, but always consider the context. Take Apple, for instance, with a PE ratio around 30. Lower PE, potential bargain. Next, the ROE, return on equity. It's like finding out how much profit a company makes from shareholders' money. For instance, if a company has an ROE of 20%, it means it generates 20 cents for every $1 of equity. A high ROE is generally a good sign. Consider Microsoft, with an ROE of around 40%. High ROE, that's a strong sign. Now, ever heard of the debt-to-equity ratio? It shows how much debt a company has compared to its equity. For example, a debt-to-equity ratio of 0.5 means the company has 50 cents of debt for every $1 of equity. For example, look at Alphabet, the parent company of Google, with a debt-to-equity ratio of around 0.3. Next, we have the current ratio. This one's all about liquidity. Can the company pay its short-term debts? A ratio above 1, they're good to go. A higher ratio indicates better liquidity, meaning the company can easily cover its short-term obligations. For instance, a current ratio of 1.5 means the company has $1.50 in current assets for every $1 of current liabilities. Amazon, for example, has a current ratio of around 1.1. Recap time. PE for value, ROE for profit, debt to equity for risk, and current ratio for liquidity. Master these, and you're on your way to becoming a stock analysis star. But remember, these ratios are most powerful when used together. For example, a company with a low PE, high ROE, low debt to equity, and a high current ratio is likely a strong investment. Follow InveStar for more finance tips. Register and learn more from our AI tutor at www.investorbd.com. Stay informed and make smarter investment decisions. Cheers! This video is for educational purposes only and not financial advice.